Good afternoon, students. Come to the next session. Chapter 1, Reading and Making Maps. Previous class we studied about how to know the directions in a new place, how to locate the directions on a map, how to measure the distance on a map, how to use the symbols on a map. These things we learned earlier class. By using the learning things, I prepared a map. Here you see how did I locate the directions, how did I measure the distance, how did I use the symbols. Here you see this is the map of India. Here in every map, top of the direction is the north, bottom of the direction is south, right side of the direction is east, left side shows the west direction. Like this we shall locate the directions in any map, whether it is a state map, whether it is a country map or world map, whatever it is, you shall show the directions like this. Next we shall show the is like this. We shall show the symbol of a hill is show like this. It is in the mathematics, so this is called as the delta symbol. This symbol shows the hills. Here you see Mussoorie. Okay, next Ooty and Kodaikanal. These are the hill stations. Okay, these hill stations are shown with a delta symbol. Okay, next the distance between Kolkata and Chennai also shown here. The distance between Kolkata and Chennai is approximately 1700 kilometers. Okay, but in a reduced manner I had shown 17 centimeters. Approximately it consists of 1700 kilometers, but I had shown 17 centimeters. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeters. That's why 17 centimeters equal to 1700 kilometers. In a reduced manner, I had shown the distance between Kolkata and Chennai. Here river Godavari and river Krishna also shown. Okay, to show the rivers, I had used the symbols like this. Okay, when you prepare the map, whatever it is, whether it is state map or district map or country map or world map, when you prepare the map, you shall prepare the index also. Here you see the index. Okay, this symbol indicates the capital of a country. Here this is the capital of India. This is New Delhi. Okay, at the same time airport also shown in this index. Here you see this is the Mumbai airport. That's why here airport symbol was shown. Here you see this is the airport symbol. Okay, this is the scale used to measure the distance between two places. Okay, this is the symbol which shows hills. This is the symbol which indicates the rivers. Okay, this is the drawing of the map and how to use the symbols, how to locate the directions, how to measure the distance in a reduced manner. Thank you all of you. Next session will meet you. Have a nice day.